Use the scatter tool and select a surface in the viewport. Click Done. Next, drag Cosmos assets from the asset library into the Models field. Adjust the density of the scattered models to control how many appear on the surface. The Detect Collision option determines whether the scattered models collide with one another. Enable it to prevent overlaps. You can also add some randomization to make the distribution look more natural. Move the models along a specific axis. Rotate them around a chosen axis. Randomize their scale a little. Click on a model and drag its slider to control how frequently it appears on the surface.